Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another video in my same spotlight which I have been enjoying a lot. No makeup, no lenses, just spotlight. This is highlight of my day. So cover photo से आपको पता चल गया होगा, thumbnail से आपको पता चल गया होगा basically कि what this video is about. So I literally thought that this brand recently I've been loving it so much that I thought it deserves its own individual attention video. So I'll be showing you few products that I'm absolutely loving from the brand Inde Wild. The first one is their oil. It's really amazing. It's like we have been using it from past 2 months. This is our third bottle, so this we have already used. Now I am on this bottle number 2 and I have one more, just I stocked it up. So this is Chumpy hair oil. I don't see any ingredients, but I don't know, it smells like something I know. It smells like something I have been using it. It's really amazing. I don't know, but it smells so good, so good. So yeah, this is the Chumpy oil. People have been raving about it on Instagram. This is a influencer brand which I'm really liking it. So yeah, people have been raving about it. It's for hair growth and hair thickening and everything, and I think it's working. I've started using it like recently, and I think my hair fall has gotten like a bit lighter. Like I think it's working. I just feel it's working. Something's better with my hair, especially with the I don't know the smell, but it's like the fragrance, but it's really amazing. It's really nice. So you put it overnight, do the just the massage hair and wash it the next day. You cannot keep it because I don't want everyone around to smell like this. So yeah, you just put it at night overnight and then wash it the next morning. It's really good. It really works. It's nice. Price wise, I think it's a bit expensive. This bottle costs like 900 rupees for 50 ml. I think it's a bit pricey, but it works. The formula, whatever, there are no ingredients written, but whatever the formula is, it really works. And the bottle is so cute. Such a cute bottle. मतलब बॉटल प्लेन होती है तो मुझे अच्छी लगती है. बॉटल अगर बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ डिज़ाइन होता है, ग्राफिक होता है, तो मुझे अच्छी लगती है. सो टेक्निकली आई लाइक appreciate all kinds of packagings, but yeah, this is really good. Next up is their serum, which is actually, so this is the serum. It's called Sunset Restore Serum with amla and saffron, but it's really cool. Like we use it in our skincare. You can use it in your skincare. CTM, like after cleanser, toner, then you can put this serum before your moisturizer, and we also use it as pre-makeup, as a primer. So I use this and then I put makeup, so makeup sits really well. So this is another product I'm really liking it. Again, the brand pricing is a bit high. I don't know the price. I'm going to tag the pricing is a bit high, but I really like it. It's worth it. Like the hair oil is worth it. This product is so good. It's really worth it. Next product are their lip balms. Like I am obsessed. Obsessed is an understatement. So finally I found the lip balm which hydrates, heals, and it's amazing on your lips. So this is their first one which they launched, and it usually goes out of stock every time. So this is their Inde Wild vegan butter with peptides, rose, lotus, whatever. So this is the lip balm, which is, this is again my second bottle. One I don't know, should be somewhere. I've already used it. So this is their lip balm. I have literally replaced my lip balms to this one. This is amazing. It works wonder on my lips. So this is just like for everyday lip balm, everyday like kind of treatment. It works as a treatment, so I put it at night before sleeping, and I just keep reapplying this one, because if you can see, the dryness and all has gone. So this one is really amazing. So this is the first one that they launched. Later on they came up with two new lip balms. One was the pink one, wedding rose. It's called wedding rose. So this was the wedding rose that they launched, and then they launched something called jalebi. This is called glazed jalebi, and this is wedding rose. This one is so good, like I can't even. And this looks better on my lips, so I will show you. Wait, look at this. Look at the color. It has a very nice tint, plus it has all the healing properties, all the good things for lips, all the hydrating properties. So the color is amazing. This one is my favorite, so if you want to buy it, definitely take this one. The color is so nice that it will look good on darker skin tones, lighter skin tones, and I think this is a color which looks good on all skin types. So this is definitely must buy. If you want to buy one, then this is my top recommendation. If you want to buy it for like hydration, healing and stuff, then get the regular one. This one I got it glazed jalebi because I had to order everything that they launched. I ordered it like the pre-launch, pre-booking. Oh my god, this one I can't even. So this is a mixture of both. It doesn't have any color. It's like it has glitter in it. So it has, see, it's colorless. If you can see this one, it's colorless. It just has a little glitter in it, but oh my god, it smells amazing. Like I can't even tell you how many times I sniff it when I pass by my vanity. I just sniff this one. Usually, like the name says, glazed jalebi. I was not very sure of the color, but good part, it's colorless. It just has a nice glitter on it. So if you have light lips, you can just put it on, and if you have dark lips, again, like I say, just put a light nude lipstick, and on top of it you can put this one. This one is amazing, guys. The smell is crazy. I can't even tell you. The fragrance, it's not jalebi, I don't know. It's something very sweet, something fried, something jalebish only, but it's very good. Jalebi from a 7-star maybe. It smells like that. So last but not the least, the other product that they recently launched is this Rose Sun Mist Refresh and Protect. This is so good. It's rose water, coconut water, aloe vera and Biza Bolololo. What is this Biza Bolololo? But whatever it is, this is amazing. So it gives a very nice glow. I have it on my face, and I just, keep refreshing my makeup. It gives a very nice glow. It's basically a sunscreen with rose water. It's SPF 50, so it's a sunscreen with rose water, coconut water and everything, and it's a very nice mist, and I think it would be best for summer. I recently bought it last month, like in winters, but I think I'm going to use and abuse it in summer. I have this habit of every few hours I would just spray sunscreen on my body, on my hands, everywhere. So this is really amazing and a must buy product. So yeah, that's about it. I recently discovered this brand few weeks ago, and I just tried their lip balm. I loved it, so I thought of ordering their serums and mist and other balms. It's really nice. They are famous for the hair oil because this mom-daughter duo, the brand owners, they have really long, nice, thick hair. So that's how they started. They started with the hair oil, which is absolutely amazing. That's must try. Just use it as a treatment and not oil. Like you don't have to overuse it. Just put it like, on the scalp, just few drops on scalp and massage it for the proper nourishment, and I think it works great. It is expensive, but you don't have to overuse it, so should be okay. So yeah, that's about it. I'm wearing H&M Basics, and this is my Jara necklace. Do you know that meme, Jara Jara Jara? So yeah, this is my Jara necklace, and this is my shawl to match my chapri hair. They are still purple after few washes, so yeah, I do have to fix them. So yeah, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll link all these products below, so if you want to buy them, they're available on Nykaa as well and Tira as well, and they have their own website. So yeah, thank you so much, bye bye.